Search engine marketing strategy. When you need a well-organized strategy to grow your business in a highly competitive marketplace, search engine marketing (SEM) is one of the most effective blueprints you can use. With thousands of businesses competing for the same goal, it is never easy to advertise your products or services online. Today, SEM is among the fastest ways that you can use to grow and promote your business efficiently. If you are new to this channel, we regularly post tips about growing your business, attracting fully automatically your ideal clients to create a constant cash flow using our formula we call confident cash flow. If you are interested in content like that, subscribe to this channel and hit on that bell. Search engine marketing is among the best practices in marketing your business with the use of paid advertisements so that you can enhance your business visibility on the search engine results page. The advertisers mainly look for the keywords that most users can enter on search engines while looking for the products or services. The advertisers can get the effective opportunity to make their ads appear alongside the results of the search queries. These ads are also known as pay-per-click ads, as they come in various formats. Some are small, and those are mainly the text-based ads, whereas others are the product listing ads that are also known as the shopping ads, and those are visual. These product-based advertisements allow the customer to get more important information at a glance, where they can also know about the prices and reviews. The essential strength of SEM is it can provide the advertisers with the opportunity to reach motivated customers who are willing to buy at the moment and ready to make purchases. There is no other advertising medium that can provide the same results as the SEM. Hence, it is considered as the most effective and powerful way to grow your business. How search engine marketing differs from search engine optimization. Considering the growth and development that digital marketers has experienced over the years, various companies have created separate digital marketing departments. The strategy was extremely beneficial for making the website appear in the top results in the search engine. And to achieve this, it is essential to understand how to position your website through SEO and SEM. The main difference between SEO and SEM is that SEM works to get relevant traffic visibility from the organic paid searches, whereas SEO focuses on optimizing the website to get the traffic from the organic search results. SEO is a well-known strategy to obtain traffic to your website while putting some effort, while SEM is the strategy to gain traffic through payment positioning, mainly through ads. When using the SEM, you need to pay Google to show your ad in the search results. SEO, on the other hand, is different, as you can generate the traffic and click without paying Google. Keywords, how these are essential for search engine marketing. Keywords are the foundation of SEM, and when the users enter the keywords they are looking for in the search engines, you will be surprised with the results that keywords can form the search engine marketing basis as an advertising strategy. SEM keyword research strategy. SEM strategy comes down when there is a need to optimize the paid search ads while considering specific goals. When you need to create a good strategy, you need to understand how paid ad platforms actually work and manage the variables that can affect the performance of the keywords, budget, and copy. Here are some factors that you need to consider in your strategy when you need to earn success in your paid ads. Keyword intent, pay per click or PPC strategy. It is an SEM practice and aims to achieve a high click-through rate to the site. Mainly starts when you need to select the appropriate keywords, and it means you need to do the relevant research to determine the keyword queries you want for your ads to come up. You can start by brainstorming brand terms, and these terms mainly describe your products, and even the terms describe your competition. Keyword volume in competition. If no one is searching for the target keywords, you will not get the results from your ads. But if the keywords are extremely high, these can attract more competition. When doing keyword research, you may come across short, effective, and relevant keywords, but those are not easier to come up with. Keyword costs. The bid specifications mainly determine ad placement for the keyword and the quality score that Google has to provide to your ads. If the bids are greater and the ads are high quality, they can win the best placement, so these high competition keywords ends up being more expensive. Following the platform guidelines, you can bring the price down by providing high relevant ads and landing pages. This way you can increase the chances to be on top of your competitors and even pay less than them. This has proven time and again to be the defining factor in making campaigns a success by having positive returns on investment. Structure of account and campaign. You can keep your keywords together in a single bucket where you can display one ad for your aggregate log, but the keywords with high volume can eat up your entire budget and your quality score can go down. It is entirely essential to structure your Google Ads accounts appropriately for better results. Copy. In the end, when you are done with choosing the keywords and structuring your account, you have to write the good ads and earn relevant clicks. Have a good hook in the beginning to make the people want to read the ad. Have a strong reason to take action. For example, big discount or problem solved. Your call to action to click on the ad will better work with a read more than buy now. That could scare some away. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to effectively use search engine marketing. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, comment, or post your questions. We answer them in the next Q&A video.